Listen to this special story. It's very, very interesting. When Eric Benson walked into court for burglary charges, he didn't know the cards were already stacked against him. He didn't know the judge and the prosecutor were longtime friends. He didn't know they'd gone to law school together, or that they'd be laughing during recess while deciding his fate. Eric was 29, a father of two, accused of breaking into a pawn shop after hours. He swore he was innocent, said he was at home with his kids. The evidence? A blurry security camera, still that prosecutors claimed looked like him. He had no prior felonies, but he did have a court-appointed lawyer with too many cases and not enough time. They requested a new judge, citing conflict of interest. Denied. During the trial, Eric noticed something disturbing. The judge would smile at the prosecutor during arguments. They shared inside jokes. One day, during a break, he overheard them talking about their golf game this weekend. His defense objected multiple times. Each time, overruled. When they asked to present video evidence proving Eric's alibi, security footage from a neighbor's home, the judge declared it inadmissible. The jury saw a confident prosecutor, a dismissive judge, and a defendant who looked nervous and unsure. Eric was convicted, sentence of 15 years. But the story didn't end there. Years later, a paralegal stumbled across Eric's court records while researching judicial ethics violations. One case, buried deep, mentioned private communication between the judge and the prosecutor on Eric's case. She dug deeper. What she found sparked outrage. Text messages, emails, even dinner reservations the night before the verdict, all confirming the two men had been discussing strategy outside court. The case was brought back into the spotlight. Civil rights lawyers took it up. Media outlets began covering it. Eric's story was no longer silent. Eventually, the conviction was overturned due to judicial bias and misconduct. But Eric had already spent 8 years in prison for a crime he didn't commit, because two old friends played judge and jury. The judge retired without discipline. The prosecutor now teaches law. Eric now works to help others wrongfully convicted. But the scars remain. How many people are sitting in prison because justice was decided over dinner? Drop your own opinion in the comment section.